Hello guys, welcome back to the Bondi Sands YouTube channel. I am so excited because today I am going to take you through my tanning routine, but this time I am going to be using the full new Bondi Sands body range. And finally, you can use some body washes and moisturisers that are not going to strip away your tan, and it's going to make your tan also last for as long as possible. The first product in the body range that I recommend using is the coconut and sea salt scrub. Now, can I just tell you that this smells unbelievable. It's a toasted coconut scent, and it honestly smells like cookies baking. This coconut and sea salt scrub is oil-free, which is amazing because some other scrubs that I have used leave an oily residue on your skin, and I find it's hard to tan afterwards because the tan doesn't actually stick to your skin. Whereas this one has been specifically formulated with tanning in mind. You can put this on, get rid of all your dead skin cells, and tan straight afterwards, and it will still work perfectly. So this body scrub contains naturally derived exfoliating ingredients, including Australian sand, sea salt, walnut shell, and coconut husk. And once you have exfoliated with our body scrub, you are ready to tan with any Bondi Sands product you like. So the rest of our body range has been formulated to maintain your tan, to keep it looking nice and bronzed for as long as possible. So after you have washed your tan off, I recommend using our body wash. I don't know about you, sometimes I might jump in the shower after I've tanned and I'm trying to maintain it for as long as possible, but I'll find that some of the soaps or body washes that I use actually strip away my tan a lot faster than normal. Our body wash has been carefully formulated to be self-tan friendly. This pH balance formula will gently cleanse your skin without stripping away your tan. So not only do we have the body wash, but we also have a hand wash, which I personally am so happy about because I don't know about you, but I will tan my hands, and then obviously we all wash our hands several times a day, and I just find that it will strip my tan quite quickly. With this one, it is exactly the same as our body wash. It has that delicious coconut scent, and it also has a pH balanced formula that is going to help you maintain your tan for as long as possible and not strip it away. So after you have been in the shower and used our body wash, I would highly recommend using our new body moisturiser. Lots of people don't realise that if you have dry skin, your tan will not last for as long as possible. A good way to maintain your tan is by moisturising daily, but it is important to use a moisturiser that's not going to have any nasties in it, that it's going to strip away your tan faster than if you weren't moisturising at all. This is enriched with vitamin E, and it will leave your skin feeling soft, lush, and so smooth. So there you have it guys, there is our whole new body range. We are so excited about this one. Finally, you can use some body washes and moisturisers that are not going to strip away your tan, and it's going to make your tan also last for as long as possible. So if you have any questions, be sure to drop them below. We can't wait for you to try it, and we can't wait for you to smell it. The toasted coconut scent is next level, I'm telling you right now. If you've smelt it, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. But as always, we love you. Happy tanning lovers. We'll see you next time.